Hey everyone, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter here, and I have a new package from AliExpress. I'm gonna open it, so let's get right to it. Here we are with a brand new item that came in from AliExpress today, and this one, I had a hard time figuring out what it is. I'm not really 100% sure what it is, but I have a good idea. It's a sticker here. And I've ordered a lot of stickers, like I said. And this is yellow. So, let's open it. Package this time has like a little bit of crinkling here, like it kind of almost got folded. So I'm really a little worried about it. It's what I'm thinking about. It might be in here. It's not something you wanted to bend or fold, so. Let's see. Oh my goodness. There it is. This is the way. So this sticker I got to put on the back of my car. I thought it was cool. I'm a big Mandalorian fan. So I got, this is the way. And it's kind of bent, the corner here. So I don't know how well it's going to apply, but we'll have to see. Just a pretty simple sticker. One color, this is the way. They gave a little instruction guide on how to install the sticker. So, kind of interesting. You peel the back, you stick it on, you peel the front, basically. It shows, they got like a hard piece of plastic there to apply it. I'll probably just use some kind of thicker card to use to apply it, but I'll go through that process as well as applying it to my car. So we're gonna go to that now. All right, so here's my car, and I'm thinking about putting it right on the bottom panel of glass there in the corner. But first, before I do that, I brought some Windex. So I'm gonna clean that glass nice, and so it will adhere. There we go. So I did my best right there to get it as clean as possible with just some Windex. We'll see how well it sticks. I'm sure people in the comments section will probably tell me that Windex isn't the right stuff to use for, or something like that, that there's something better, or using paper towels isn't right, but for what I'm trying to do here, I'm not too worried about it. The sticker, I believe, was only $1 or $2. And yeah, so let's get to adhering it. And here we go, we're looking at almost the finished product. After I put it on here, I just used a Subway card that I had, an old Subway card, to kind of make sure that it was all adhered. I'm sure this isn't proper technique. I tried to get it as straight as I could. I think it's okay. Let's go for the final reveal. Here, I'm gonna pull this plastic off slowly from the corner and hope that it all stays in place. And voila. It looks like it stayed. The bending didn't really have any effect. That would have been up here, and that seems to have flattened out just fine. This is the way. So this is a sticker that I ordered in my January 25th order. Today is April 11th. So it took a considerable amount of time to get this little sticker in, but it seems okay. And it was cheap. So it's a little smaller than I was thinking, but I'm sure the dimensions were in there, and that's just me. So yeah, that's that. It's adhered, the sticker is on, and it looks like it's okay quality. One thing that I didn't really think about was when I came out here to adhere the sticker, it's very windy today, so maybe either pulling your vehicle into a garage or doing it, adhering the sticker on a day where it's not so breezy probably would be a little bit easier, but it was pretty easy anyways. So yeah, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and if you do all three of those things and you let me know in the comments section below, then I'll send you out some stickers. I got some Mandalorian stickers and I have some Office TV show stickers. Thanks for watching, and until next time.